From the edge of Metro New York to the business communities of Connecticut, green is good. With ELM crews driving sustainability advancements, we're redefining landscape performance across our great region. Advancements in equipment and smart technologies to attain a level of efficiency that make green practices central to all we do. Advancements in service delivery, technology, and proactive solutions to fuel our sense of urgency and commitment. When quality counts, productivity matters. No task too small, no job too big. To create a finished look, a sense of order, and clean lines that surpass expectations. Foliage and texture bring the wow in spring. Seasonal displays and flowering plants and shrubs are grouped according to their water needs, mulched for better health, and maintained to give your property the burst of color and visual impact it needs to stand out. Autumn arrives, and with it deep cleaning, weeding, mulching, pruning, nourishing, and aerating to prepare your landscape for cooler weather and the renewal next spring brings. Big weather brings out the big iron. Our expertise in advanced snow and ice management, salt and brine capabilities, and loss prevention protects your property against hazards and ensures your business stays open and safe. Whether spring startup, summer construction project, or multi-phase renovation, working with our designers to update your systems can conserve water, improve the environment, and produce impressive results for your bottom line. Cutting costs through sustainable practices makes financial sense. We work together to reduce water consumption, send less waste to landfills, and help your property operate at peak health and efficiency at all times. 4 decades of leadership, a framework for trust, relationships that go the distance, and service that goes the extra mile. Eastern Land Management, enhancing your image from the ground up.